Guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I thank you for my subscribers, my viewers, my returning subscribers, and my new subscribers. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, I'm Happiness Ada. You're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and join the great family, guys. So guys, join me. Let's clean and arrange my boss kitchen. This is what I do before Ramadan, guys. You're going to see the kind of dishes that I'm going to be bringing out here. I have to do this, guys, to sort out cups and plates we're going to use for this Ramadan. You know, during Ramadan, guys, you need cup and plate most. And I'm going to be, the ones we don't need again, I'm going to be throwing them to dustbin. So I have to clean up everywhere. I always use this work once in a year, guys. It's not easy. Inside this kitchen, we have different stages of dishes, cupboards. So I'm going to bring everything out, clean inside and arrange it back. So this work always give me heart attack if I remember to do this work. But I have to do it, guys. So this is what I'm doing. So stay tuned and let's do it together and see what I'm doing, guys. And if you're made watching this video, please comment if your house is like this. How do you see dishes? Do your boss have plates like this? Although this is not the first place I work. The second place I work is still grandma's house. Guys, the dishes you're going to see here is ×3 of that woman's place. Sometimes I wonder, say, what are we doing with plates, pots, everything? It's too much. Grandma sees this as a property. It's too much, honestly speaking. Anyway, let's dive into the work and let's clean up. Into another stage. See my armpit. I don't know why all our working clothes is always taught through this armpit of the thing. All my working clothes. The clothes will be new, but the armpit is taught. Before you know it, to throw it. Does it happen to you guys? Let me know. see me taking fresh milk for strength, guys. It's not easy. I don't joke with this fresh milk here in Arab country. This is label and tama. If you're not eating it, you're missing. Join me and eat tama and take fresh milk. It's very good, guys. These ones are wet. So I'm going to tell you this one's guys. These ones are going to swallow. It was been. I'm more tired. It's not easy. This is one of the work I hate in this house. And I remember this house, this particular work, and it gave me heart attack. To clear inside this, can you guys see plates? Plates. Jesus Christ. Oh, guys, let me pack this. Let's go through this one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and please guys subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bells so you can be notified time I post a new video. Happiness, love it, guys. See you guys in my next video. Yeah, bye. I'm going to know you soon.